Why do 80% of travelers fall in love with the Central African Republic? Let's find out. Nestled in the very center of Africa, this country is a hidden gem. Did you know it's home to the stunning Zanga-Sanga National Park? Picture lush rainforests, rare wildlife, and the majestic forest elephants. Speaking of wildlife, the Central African Republic boasts one of the densest populations of gorillas in the world. Imagine trekking through the jungle and coming face to face with these gentle giants. But it's not just about nature. The vibrant culture here is a tapestry of traditions and colorful celebrations. From traditional music to lively dance festivals, there's always something happening. And let's not forget the people. Warm, welcoming, and with a smile that can light up a room. They make every visitor feel right at home. So whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, the Central African Republic has something magical for you. Pack your bags and start your African adventure today.